Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine, and today we are back with our Royal Enfield. As you can see, I have removed the back seat of my vehicle, and it is looking sexy. Same like the Java Perak which is launched recently. So today I will be showing you how to shine your body part of Royal Enfield in 5 minutes with this 3M car care kit. Yes, this is car care kit, but it has 3M premium liquid wax which shines your body part. So let's see what all it has. So this is the wax I am talking about. So this is 3M liquid wax which shines your bike. So let's start, guys. Take one suggestion: don't apply any wax or polish to your bike without washing your bike. So right now the bike is too dirty. I will be showing you how much dirty it is. So this is the amount of dirt which is sitting on my bike part. You can just see here. The silencer part is too dirty, and the engine also. You can see the amount of dirt, the mud, and the shining is gone. So without wasting any time, let's start to wash my bike.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So guys, the bike is ready now to be polished. So guys, this is the wax right now. You have to apply this wax onto your hand like this, and have to apply wherever you want, and you have to scrub it gently. You shouldn't be harsh. You can do it with your bare hands. You can apply it wherever you want. For applying it takes 5 minutes, and you have to leave this for 5 minutes so that it can do its work. Don't use anything except your hands or your fingers. You can just do it like this. Scrub it gently with your light hands. Actually I have applied 3M car wash shampoo, so already it is shining.
but you will see the difference after this.
So guys, I have applied the wax and I have left it 5 minutes to dry. If you didn't leave for 5 minutes, then you cannot find any results. I am telling you now itself. So please leave it 5 minutes after you apply the wax, because it needs to do its work. If you wipe it soon, then you won't be finding any results. So it's waste of your wax and your time. Okay guys, the 5 minutes is over. Now let's wipe it. Please use the cotton fiber cloths to wash your bike, and the link will be in the description about the kit box and that wax. So please go and check it out there. So let's start now. You have to wipe it hardly till you get the shine. You can see the shine.
Cosmic, 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 cosmic.
So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video and polishing. So according to me, I have done the polishing in the right way. So please, you too do it the same. Don't use any rough cloths. Please use the cotton fiber cloths. I have ordered of the brand called 3M. So I will be providing you the link in the description where you can go and buy the product. So, and another thing is, I will be providing you the link about that 3M car care kit which I had bought for our Creta, and it is useful for the bike also. You can truss up your tire with that liquid. It will be in the box. I have purchased it for around 1300. It's the small size box. You will get large also. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It's going to become 1000 within a week or 2 weeks. So I am grateful for you guys. So thank you all for supporting me like this. And right now it's 960 subscribers. So 40 more to go. I hope I reach that within this week. So thank you guys. Signing out. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. This is Chandan Prasad.